After eating and exploring the quiet town of Sundance, we jumped in the car and headed to the iconic monument, which is the Devil's Tower. We were keen to walk round this incredible rock formation protruding out of the prairie. With the sun the other side of the tower now, this is all shaded. You can see more of the greens in the rock. We must have had fires here a short while back, maybe. Charcoal trees. Can't see much tower because we're so close to it. That's literally the tower straight up. We're now quite clearly walking in the shadow of the tower. Trying to get back round the front before the sun goes down. It's almost 8 o'clock. We're literally one of the last few people here. What a walk. What a hike. Such an iconic structure to enjoy walking round. Well, I have to say, I think we've done this the right time of day. We were going to come here in the morning, but even at almost 8 o'clock of an evening, still good light, and there's not many people here. And listen to that. Yeah, just me. How's that for you?
That's great.
It's amazing, isn't it?
That's cool.
8:15 in the evening, and the sun is still shining its light on the tower.